Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to our home decoration ideas video series. In this video, we will be sharing some amazing tips and tricks to help you refresh your home decor ideas. Whether you are looking to create a cozy and inviting space, update your decor with some modern touches, we have got you covered. First up, let's talk about one of the easiest ways to update your decor: adding some new throw pillows. You can mix and match different patterns and colors to create a cozy look that perfectly complement your style. Not only do they add some visual interest to your space, but they are also incredibly comfortable to snuggle with on your sofa or bed. Next, let's talk about gardening. Adding some plants to your space is not only a great way to bring some life and freshness to your decor, but they also improve air quality. Whether you are option for a statement plants like a fiddle leaf fig or a few smaller plants like snuggles and succulents and air plant, incorporating some greenery into your home is a surefire way to elevate your decor. If you are looking to create a gallery wall, here are some tips to make it a success. First, choose a focal point and build your wall around it. This can be a large piece of artwork or a photographs that you love. Then mix and match different size and style of frames to create a visually interesting display. Finally, do not be afraid to incorporate some personal touches like family photo or sentimental artwork. This will make your gallery wall. This will create a warm and relaxation atmosphere that you will love coming home to. You can choose from a variety of size and style to create the perfect ambience for your space. Now let's talk about adding some luxuries to your space. One great way to do this is by incorporating a rug. You can choose from a variety of materials and cushions to add warmth to your floors. Not only do rugs add some visual interest to your space, and they also provide a comfortable spot to sit or lie down on. If you have a small space, here are some tips to make the most of it. First, choose furniture that is both functional and stylish. Consider pieces that can serve multiple purposes like a storage item of sofa and bed. You can also create the illusions that is use the light and